stings my skin as the sun beats down to wash away my sanity. Mile on mile of drifting dune in my head, disaster's tune plays on. The words are gone, but so is thought and clarity. A single frown, my lips would crack and bleed, and fantasy of desperation deep inside my mind. Sick from heat and sick for home, I face another night, alone and cold, as life unfolds beneath this cloudless sky. But still my shattered